Kiran ma'am, Kiran ma'am, Kiran ma'am, Sanjana is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjana, you will be recording now.
मैम एक्चुअली इट्स डिसाइडेड कि हम लोग तीनों भी रिकॉर्ड करेंगे.
Okay, so here the record button is there that have to click now because
Yes,
it's the
yes.
first time I'm doing. That's why I'm asking.
हाँ, नहीं तीनों भी हम लोग करेंगे सेफर साइड के.
Okay, this only this thing we have to do now. That
हाँ,
button.
ओनली जस्ट प्रेस द रिकॉर्डिंग.
अरे 2 मिनट का सेटिंग करना था बस.
What, ma'am?
Kiran madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Sanjay sir.
Sanjay sir, good afternoon.
Sanjay sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. How are
Good
you?
afternoon. Fine, sir. What about you?
Going on during this pandemic. The only thing is we have to be in a good state of mind.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because this again prolonged till I think then coming of September, October, because they have again asked for 15 more days.
Yeah, I know it's up to 15th May, but still we feel we are under that mindset that 1 year again will go like this.
Again, sure, sir. This entire year will go. Even though they have put this CA profession as a essential services, but how our client can come and reach to us for the data?
That's true. I mean, see, even like all of a sudden, you can't expect economy to turn into an IT savvy. All these years we have been working on manual books and papers.
Yes.
Especially people above 40, 45. They are more used to reading books rather than reading on internet. So those are challenges also. But right now the stage is we need to save our lives. And for the nearest ones and dearest ones also.
Yes. Where your office is, sir? Vashi.
I have office in Hiranandani, Kharghar. and one another small office in Chembur, Bombay and New Bombay.
So how long you are in practice?
I came to India in 2017 and immediately started with practice. And like last 3.5 years,
prior
I'm in
to?
practice only. Prior to that, I was in Dubai.
Dubai only, means UAE.
Like 10 years. Yeah.
UAE.
UAE. But I had been to Singapore and Dubai on and off like that. And then I came to India and then started with these things. But basically now I'm more into forensic audits. I take audits and forensic audit assignments. Other small things, I don't prefer to.
That is cream work.
It has got problems also. When you see frauds day in, day out, you are more focused on those kind of things. Even if the things are easy and pretty cool, you have that thought process.
No, even 2020 and then 21, both the years, bank audit is also in online mode only.
Yeah, they have. I have bank audits also, but still there are some GMs. They prefer to come to the branch.
Bank branch.
Main branch, at least for like 2-3 days. So we go there sometimes.
I have completed bank branch for 3 terms, like SBI I have completed, and then Dena Bank and Bank of Maharashtra. 2012, then I left. Like once I become the principal here, then I have.
Good morning, Arpit sir. How are you?
Good morning, Sanjay ji.
Arpit sir, good morning.
Gajanan ji, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
It's a privilege,
Hello,
sir.
good morning.
Chartered accountant and principal of wonderful institution.
Thank you, sir.
It's a real privilege for us to interact with you, sir.
See, at the most, the chair is important, whether you sit in the CS proprietor chair or principal chair.
Sir, I believe
CS always become the chairperson.
Sir, I believe as a chartered accountant, we are so well, accustomed to administration.
Yes.
And any institution that if we give our 100% as you are giving now, I think sky's the limit for that institution. And believe me, we can really do wonders.
CA gets each and every, like during the articles and entire program in such a thing, like we get the information of each corner. Only thing how we are using, that's the matter.
So wonderful, sir. Really, heart goes out to whenever we see a chartered accountant doing an academician role. It's indeed wonderful.
Yes,
sir. Sir, apologies at the start because chairman, he wanted to join this conference very, very actually positively, but some prior commitment has come up and presidents are nearby, is also in the institute today. So some urgent stuff has come and therefore he wouldn't be able to join, but he has
no problem. He messaged me also.
Yeah, he's given his regards and has told that he wanted to join it very, very urgently, but due to some other priority commitment, he had to leave.
No problem, sir.
Sir, what's the schedule for today?
Kiran, can you just brief out the flow?
Hello, Kiran,
yes.
madam. Good morning.
Yes.
Kiran will start the introduction part, and then I'll speak about our college and I welcome all of you. And then the flow, I think she has shared with you. Kiran.
So we spoke today morning. Kiran madam had called up. So what I'll do is I'll try and WhatsApp her also, if at all, if anything. So
yes, sir. Hello, sir. I'm so sorry. I was in another call. I was having confirmation with the Drishti ma'am. Yes, sir.
I think even she won't be able to join is what I...
Yes. Just now, yeah, she's like unable to join, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So both of them are together actually in the council, in the institute only actually.
Okay, sir. So, sir, shall we start? I think.
Madam, what is the flow? It's 11:57. 3 more minutes to go. I think.
Yeah, sir. Initial will be like a opening remark about the event. I'll be speaking for that. Then I'll be inviting Dr. Gajanan Varay, sir. Sir is a principal. He will give a welcome address. Then after that, actually, we were supposed to have Manish, sir, or Drishti ma'am. So directly we will start with the Sanjay sir's session. and then we'll have it would be your session regarding initiative information to the students.
Madam, can we do that before? Instead of Manish Bhai and Drishti Madam, you can invite me, the Secretary of WIRC,
Sure.
to address this.
This file I want on desktop.
And then Sanjay sir can, continue the session for correction.
Okay,
I will
sir.
set up that
Save for the desktop.
event.
Sure. I'll
share
do
it.
that.
Madam, can you WhatsApp me so I can share you my brief resume so you can, read out that if you want.
Definitely. Yes, sir. Just I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay, done. Thanks.
Please SMS or email ID. So I'll just send that to you right away. So Gajanan sir, you are in office? So you're on mute, sorry. Sir, you're on mute.
So I'm in office.
Sir, amazing.
Admissions are going on. The certain parents are coming. So maybe like 10 to 2, I am always in office. I stay nearby college.
Acha, okay.
So that's a privilege to me.
Wonderful, sir. I mean, such a risky situation we are in now. But the commitment, I think CA therefore committed always.
It is required. So there are certain inquiries are coming, and then somebody should be there in office so that we can be able to take care.
Sure, sir.
Where, sir, Arpit sir, where your office is?
Sir, we've got, so across India, we've got 12 branches, but in Mumbai, we've got 2 offices, one in Nariman Point and one in Goregaon.
Sir, I have shared my email ID.
Yes,
yeah.
I'm just sending it to you. I have sent you the email.
Yes, sir. I'll just check it.
Sanjay sir, where are you based out of?
Sir, I'm based in Navi Mumbai, Kharghar.
Acha. Oh, great.
Yeah.
And you practice largely into?
Basically, I'm into audits, and now I've moved to forensic audits. So I was in internal audit for last 10 years, and last 3 years I got a couple of assignments for forensic audit. And right now I'm working for a forensic audit for a broker who is based in Bandra.
Oh, wonderful. So which firm is this?
No, it's my own. I have office in Hiranandani, Kharghar, and a small setup in Chembur. So one in Mumbai and one in Navi Mumbai. Okay. So we are like not partners, but couple of associates. We just take assignments like that. And we have our own small practice also.
Oh, wonderful. So you're not IB empaneled?
I am empaneled as IP, but I don't work on IP. I had
IBA, forensic audit.
No, I have not been. No, I have not been empaneled.
Since you do forensics, so you should also try and get empaneled with IBA, because I think that is one agency which makes sure that all the lenders can appoint forensic audits from that empanelment only.
Okay, I have been with an associate. I'm not aware whether he's empanelment with IBA or Dux Consultancy.
Great. So you largely do for managements, forensics, and
yeah, I mean, we have been hired by management also to do forensic, but there are other forensic also going on. I mean, it's called of a special audit, like 2 forensic assignments we have got the major one, but other people, I mean, they are a little reluctant to use the word as forensic.
Yeah,
so they term it as special audit and those kind of terminology they use.
Even I lead a forensic investigation in my firm. I lead the
Okay, great.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Great.
Kiran madam, if you are okay, let's start with 12:02 already. So
Yes, sir, we'll start with the session. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Principal, faculty members, and all the dignitaries and my dear students. A warm welcome to everyone. I, Dr. Kiran Deshmukh, coordinator of BCom department, Pillai College of Arts, Commerce and Science, welcomes you to the virtual career guidance session as a chartered accountant in association with Western India Regional Council, Institute of Company Secretaries of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. This is the first event of our newly formed Center of Commerce Lab. This center is formed with the aim of developing entrepreneurship as well as professional abilities among the students. Also to have practical application of knowledge gained through the theory. I request our principal, Dr. Gajanan Vade, to address the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Kiran. Good afternoon, all. On behalf of Pillai College of Arts, Science, Commerce, I welcome today's resource person, CA Arpit Kabra, CA Sanjay Kandari, in this virtual counseling session. Pillai College of Arts, Science, Commerce is run by its parents' body, Mahatma Education Society, who manages over 48 institutions, more than 40,000 students, and 3,500 plus staff under the great leadership of our visionary founder chairman Dr. K.M. Vasudevan Pillai sir, our secretary Dr. Daphne Pillai madam, and our CEO Dr. Priyam Pillai sir, deputy CEO Mr. Pranav Pillai sir. The vision of our college is education for all. Currently, under this vision, our institution is running more than 8 UG, 3 PG, and 3 PhD programs. Our college is permanently affiliated to the University of Mumbai and have received 2 F12B status from University Grants Commission. Our college also have received Best College Award from University of Mumbai. Similarly, the prestigious ET Now Award, which is given for the Outstanding Institute from Economic Times Group. NAC have accredited our college with A grade in 3 consecutive cycles. Pillai College also received ISO 9001:2015 certification to ENMARC quality standards in education sector. From the academic year 2019-20, our college has received autonomous status from University Grants Commission for academic excellence to enhance employment quotient and industry linkages. Today's webinar is virtual career counseling session where our resource person, CA Sanjay Kandari and CA Arpit Kabra are really pathfinders to all our students in their academic careers. I assure that this webinar will enrich today's participant as a navigator, as a pathfinder to their academic endeavors. My best wishes for today's webinar. Thank you all for your patient listening. Thank you once again. Thank you. Over to you, Kiran.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the motivational speech. Now we request our guest of the session, CA Arpit Kabra. Sir is a CA and a CS. Sir has worked as a national head forensic and stress asset advisory services at JC Kabra and Associates, Chartered Accountants. Sir has various achievements to his credit. Sir has conducted over 80,000 man-hours of training for young CA and CS students on the topics including technology, soft skills, forensic and opportunities for CAs, conducted over 300 sessions of management training for the students and professionals, also has conducted over 100 coaching career counseling sessions for colleges. Sir has conducted various trainings on forensic and investigation across the country during the lockdown period. Various achievements are there. Sir has also worked as a secretary of WIRC, Chairman of Digital Accounting and Assurance Board, Chairman of Career Counseling Committee, Vice Chairman of Executive Committee, Editorial Committee, and MCS Coordination of Committees. It's pleasure to have you, sir, with us. I request you to say a few words on this occasion. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. The first thing on a virtual webinar that we have to do is, am I audible, and request all of you to be on mute so that, we respect the time, we respect the initiative that has been taken by this wonderful institution. And we also hope that today, by staying quiet, by staying in silence, if we could make sense of anything that has been said today. Because I truly believe it is only by silence can one make sense. And this webinar, therefore, I really hope at the start that, as sir mentioned, respected Principal Chartered Accountant Gajananji and the visionary founder KM Vasudeva Pillai sir, I think 40,000 students, 48 institutes. It's no joke. It's absolutely visionary. It's absolutely wonderful. Believe me, when all of us are talking about this, imagine our own family. One person runs our family the way they can do in the best manner. And in that space, when we have people like Pillai sir and the entire legacy that he has created for so big institute, I think that is overwhelming, and we all should really every day think of this as an inspiration and encouragement for all of us to reach that place. Because if we think, probably we could do a little bit till that space. I think Gajananji, our faculty, Sanjay sir, a very, very strong, eminent practicing chartered accountant and a passionate chartered accountant who can talk about career opportunities that are available. And when you have chosen commerce, how can you get an edge by being a chartered accountant? I think that is what Sanjay sir would definitely guide you. And Dr. Kiran madam, thank you for giving us this opportunity. We are really thankful to this wonderful institute, this college of who has thought of setting this platform and inviting WIRC. Friends, WIRC is the Western India Regional Council of ICI. ICI is the Chartered Accountant Institute, which is set up under the Act of Parliament. We were given Republic. Our Charter of Republic came in the year 1950, 26 January. That is what we celebrate Republic Day, right? The Chartered Accountants Act was passed in 1949. So you can imagine, before we could become Republic, before we could get our charter, it was a CA which was set up before that. Think about the importance of this profession. Think about the enormous responsibility that chartered accountants have. And believe me, we are very few. And therefore, everyone needs us. And therefore, everyone looks up to us for everything, not only in finance, but also socially, and also responsibly as a very, very important agent to drive economic reforms in this country, right? Gajananji mentioned two very important words, navigator and pathfinder. Believe me, friends, all of you who have chosen chartered accountancy today, who have chosen commerce today, you have a very good opportunity to select something that can really make your career or that can make you shine outright. Today, when Kiran madam was introducing me, of course, it was overwhelming because the warmth that she had in introducing me and all of these accomplishments at such a young age, if I can have, I totally attribute it to these two alphabets, that is C and A. If not for this, we wouldn't have got this platform. And not only this feeling is not only shared by me, but it is shared by almost so many of us who have achieved really something in their lives than just setting up a career or getting a job. And believe me, today, you all are witnessing what we call as a Silicon Valley moment. Today, none of us are going into the traditional, traditional businesses or traditional practices into doing, sitting at on the shop and selling something or doing something. Now is the time when there is ideas. The biggest company, the biggest valuation of a company that has today is Byju's. Byju's has absolutely no retail presence, no fixed assets right now. Everything is the software, everything is the intellect, everything is in the cloud. Can you see the cloud? Absolutely not. So believe me, friends, today, the more you invest into things which you cannot see, the more is your value. And something that you cannot see is this coronavirus. You can see how this small little virus has made sure the entire world has changed 360 degree. Believe me, all of us today. I request Yogin 5711 to please go on mute, please. Friends, it is therefore important, today I am sitting right in front of Gajanan sir in his office without even knocking a door, without even asking his permission. I've just come and sat in front of him. I'm able to interact with him. And at the same time, I'm interacting with Dr. Kiran. At the same time, I'm also witnessing all of you students and Sanjay sir all at the same time. And look at my window, such a small. If my weight was to be considered, if my physique was to be considered, I don't know if I could have ever fit in such a small window and interacting so I think these are the changes that have come about. Now all of you would have to, as a student, and the ecosystem that has been generated has been given to you today, I think you should all take superb advantage of this. Believe me, in MS Dhoni movie that we saw, if Sachin Tendulkar was given ball and was told ki go and bowl, we wouldn't have got the god of cricket today, a batsman in Sachin Tendulkar. So therefore, I cannot force you to do something, or I cannot ask you to do into this. But what I can do is create a platform, create awareness for you to understand and evaluate what are the options available with you, and go and select something that can make you do wonders. Chartered accountancy is something, as a degree, as a discipline, as a lifestyle, if you get into, you can do anything in every space in this economy, in this country, in this space, in this entire ecosystem. You can be a startup, you can be a promoter, you can be an advisor, you can be a consultant, you can run your own business. The way you can do anything else, you can do as a chartered accountant, with added respect, added responsibility, and a great association which is coming from nothing but the parliament of this country, because our association, our institute is set up by an act of parliament. So we get a strong support from the also, since we are in middle of all of these diseases and everything, I want to invite and I want to share with Kiran madam and Gajanan sir that something that is really very depressing, or something that is really very harmful for all of us, and especially students, is one thing called as social media. This is a place. So any virus, any bacteria can only impact you physically. It can impact your organ, which can be cured. But something that can change your attitude, something that can change your personality. So for example, what you are today, if I were to expose you to social media, I can within 6 months change your entire thought process and your originality and your individuality. That is something that all of you as a student should be aware of. I therefore invite all of you, if the college can do a screening of a documentary called The Social Dilemma on Netflix. We call it as the scrolling syndrome. Stay away from scrolling syndrome. You might believe this TikTok video, the Instagram reels, the social, everything that is coming to you, which you keep scrolling, you enjoy, and the time goes by. It is available free of cost for you. But believe me, today, if I were to ask you a question and you reply me that, if Dhoni is better than Tendulkar, and you all say Dhoni, it will take only 6 months to tell me that why Tendulkar is better than Dhoni. If I were to give you all those videos suggesting a different limelight for Tendulkar against Dhoni, and could be any agenda, could be any objective, I could run it on social media and keep bombarding you with that. Believe me, that is the power of social media. And that is what, I believe, anything that is given for free, it is not the item that is given free is not the product. You are the product. You are being sold. Your time is being sold to other companies for their advertisements, for their income, for their revenue. We have to, as young entrepreneurs, as young commerce graduates and upcoming, because I never know, I just hope that, under the influence of Gajananji, under his inspiration, if any of you could come out with flying colors as a rank in chartered accountancy, or set up a brilliant startup, just as we have Byju's today, just as we have so many other startups, if any of you come together and start a novel idea which could take the world by storm, Elon Musk, Tesla, the world is waiting for such startups. If you could do that, that would be a great role model for not only for this institute, but also for your parents, also for everyone in your college. If any of you could do something exemplary, right? So therefore, believe me, these are some of the, is it really hard to score rank in CA exams, sir? Absolutely not. Harshita, it's a very good question, and believe me, we have a person, I don't know how big are your rooms, how big in your houses that you stay, but I'm telling you, in a small 10 by 10 room, we have a person, an auto rickshaw driver, and his daughter, who stood first in India, all India rank. Recently, we've got someone from a tailor family in a very small chawl. He has stood first all over India. So when we've got people like these, and these are just the toppers that I'm talking about, there are so many of these rankers whose stories are not published, but they are absolutely known to us. They have got ranks and they're doing excellent in their career, excellent in their life. So I think, please understand, this is what you need to create for yourself. You have to understand your time is important. Don't waste it on this social media, or use it carefully, use it appropriately. Don't become a product. Don't let people sell you to others. Believe me, it is your time, it is your skill sets, it is your individuality. Keep it intact. And therefore, whenever given, Dr. Kiran, I would request you, if you could arrange a screening or maybe share everyone to watch this documentary. It will open our eyes. It will clear our thought process as to what really is harmful for us. Whether this virus and bacteria, which has helped us go 5 years ahead in the time, or social media, which we are always stuck to, be it Instagram, be it this. Last, one of the things that I would want to tell you, and Gajanan sir, I just want to take apology in the front, because I don't know if you will be aware or not. I'm going to talk about a character called as Jon Snow. Now, Jon Snow comes from Game of Thrones, which is one of the most viewed season, one of the highest big. Jon Snow, in the start of the episode, at the start of his career, was always told that you are good for nothing. You are a northerner. He was from the north, the snow-clad area, and you are just there. And he was an illegitimate child, because that is what was told to him. Believe me, if we were in that place, we would have gone into depression. But Jon Snow later on, because he stuck to what he wanted to do, he stuck to his actions, he stuck to his strong thought process, and never got bogged down by what people are telling him or what people are mocking at him. He discovered that he is actually a Targaryen, and therefore he could actually rule the 7 kingdoms. I think, friends, this example is what I have quoted is only for you all to understand that you and me belong to the same trend. I'm not here to give you all jargons. I'm not here to tell you big topics, but look at things in a perspective. People who would have seen Game of Thrones would have seen a different angle of Game of Thrones, but I'm trying to give you a Game of Thrones. Look at the leadership quality. Look at how to focus more on your own efforts, how to hear your heart, because this was the man who even came back from the death, and someone who was an opponent helped him to come back from the death. So therefore, your efforts, if they are 100% true and 100% genuine, I think you will come back nothing from even the death. So that is to say that whatever be your situation, it cannot be worse than a death. It cannot be bad than that. But if you are, even if you are in those times, believe me, if you stick to your basics, if you stick to what you feel is right, and you get correct advice and guidance, you can always come back. You can always make sure that you make the loudest noise and sit on top of the world. That is what Jon Snow did. Yeah, he even rode a dragon. So you can imagine all of this can be done by you all also. So I think with these words, in fact, I never realized that while we were discussing in the start, everyone was listening to us. And Gajananji, I want to tell you, as you mentioned, the articleship experience that differentiates chartered accountants from anyone else. I would request WIRC has taken an initiative of something called as a train, earn and learn, a TEL with chartered accountants. So this is a scheme, this is a plan that we have come out to offer BCom institutes, colleges like you, to give opportunity of training to commerce students right away in BCom with chartered accountants. You know, these people, anyways, before they could get into the dark world of KPO, telecalling, and credit card selling and other schemes and all, before they could be taken for a ride and are stuck with nothing to go ahead in the career because they have wasted so much of time in this thing. Instead, they could come and come in the chartered accountant's office after their college hours, start working with them. You know what will happen is today they have to spend so much of time to learn tally, so much of money to go to different institutes to learn tally or accounting or anything else. And believe me, because of lack of data, because of lack of real-time experience, anything that they learn in tally is only bookish and they have to pay. Here they will be paid and will be working on live data and will be training on GST, will be training on tally, will be training on income tax, filing of returns, and everything else that matters to a commerce student. And after 3 years of focused training with a chartered accountant, believe me, when this person on BCom graduation either will do two things. One, would ideally become a chartered accountant because he has now seen what it takes to be a CA and can definitely get inspired, or he is ready to work with any institution, with any organization as a thorough commerce graduate, more than what BCom people could be. I think that is what can differentiate. A training can make sure that, you know, our commerce students can get an edge over the other commerce students and get placed easily in different organizations, different institutes. And believe me, once if you have cleared IPCC exam and you are unable to clear CA final exam, don't worry. Most of the people feel that, you know, sir, there is the end of the road for us. What do? We are not able to clear CA. ICI recognizes these kind of people who have cleared, who have given CA final but have not been able to clear chartered accountants as business accounting associates, BAA. Semi-qualifieds that were told earlier are now given a proper degree called as BAA. The demand of BAA in IT sectors and pharma sector are much 3 times more than chartered accountants. Believe me, that is the importance of articleship training. That is the importance of getting into the discipline called as chartered accountancy. You know, so that is what, you know, I would invite therefore this wonderful institution, and under the leadership of Gajanan sir, I would request, if at all you are keen and if at all you are interested, please join us, and you know, we'll be happy to place your students with nearby chartered accountants based on their PIN codes, based on their area, so that they don't have to really travel a lot and they can learn from the best of the people nearby. As you know, chartered accountants, anywhere you go, जहाँ ना पहुँचे बैलगाड़ी, वहाँ हमारा मिल जाएगा chartered accountant. Huh? So I'm telling you, that is the importance of CAs in this ecosystem, and we want to make sure that we bridge this gap and bring more and more commerce students to come and work with chartered accountants, get a sense of learning, training, and then see what they can set themselves up for as a commerce student. On these words, I really thank you for giving us this opportunity. And believe me, it has been what a superb morning for us, and so many students. And Gajanan sir, we really look forward to your guidance, and anything, anywhere that you need any assistance for commerce students, please feel free to reach out to us. In fact, I would also request you, we have set up something called as an accounting museum that shows the legacy and the heritage of accounting in India. You know, if we can have something like that in our college, in our campus, I think that will be a proud moment, and the ICI will be happy to set that up for you in your institution. and that everyone would be happy to see how these coins were originated, how these accounting language came into picture, what was the history, what was the legacy. And it would be a proud moment for every commerce institute to have this kind of a museum. So more than happy, sir, to interact with you and see any assistance that is provided. WIRC will be one call away. Thank you. Over to you, Kiran madam.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Really, it was a motivational guidance speech to the students, and I'm definitely sure all our students would be there for the internship, the initiatives which are taken by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Pillai College, our students always, they would come ahead with this opportunity. Thank you so much, sir.
Kiran madam, I've just got a question from Harshit Jha. If you can allow me, I can answer that question.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Which is better, Big Four or mediocre firm after articleship for better learning? Harshit, I would tell you, learning, as I said today, Chartered Accountancy is such a course, and Sanjay sir will be guiding you on this as well. This is a course that none of the influential people or none of anyone can come and buy it for anyone. This is only such course that there is no seats, there is no reservations, there is absolutely nothing, purely democratic. Anyone who wants to do it can enroll, can give exams, clear, and become a chartered accountant. Learning, therefore, is not anyone's copyright, is not anyone's father's property that can be given to anyone. If you are interested, if you are keen, if you are working strongly, you can get learning. Believe me, most of the people you will see today who are doing excellent are from non-Big Four. If you want to be a good employee, if you want to work, if you want to do a job, and that is where you want to put a full stop, go and learn these processes in Big Fours. And I'm not saying Big Fours are wrong, but Big Fours are a big machinery. They would therefore get you to work in system. I don't know what is the learning there, but again, it is upon you. If you are not able to learn in Big Four, probably the chances are if you cannot learn anywhere else. But if you are able to learn anywhere, you can definitely learn in a small firm, mediocre firm. And believe me, the mediocre and the small firms, as you call, they're absolutely not small and mediocre. They are running the lives of almost 10 people. 10 people, 4 members in their family. 40 people are living on that small firm. So it is not a mediocre work. You and me together cannot run our own family alone. Believe me, that firm runs the families of so many people. So it is an absolute great learning. It is the context in which you see. As I said, you can always, in a Game of Thrones, you can always see someone doing the better of, someone doing the other thing, someone doing this, but it is up to you. I chose to see the leadership quality in anyone. Arya Stark killed the white man. No one else could. And a handicapped boy was elected to be the king of the 7 kingdoms. No one would have ever thought the handicapped boy would become such a influential personality. And he knew that all the time, but he never told this from his mouth. So, you know, it is all your own perspective, your individual driven, how dynamically you can do this. If I were to ask today and become, Ki Gajanan ji, I am better than you, I want to be the principal of the institute, I cannot be. Because he has his own skill sets, he has his own credentials, has developed that momentum for himself to be at this level for this institute. Not anyone else can be. But yes, if you learn under him, probably chances are much high that you can be a very big principal of another institute very soon. You know, so it's all about that experience. It's all about what you want to do in your life. And believe me, experience can only teach you that. And experience is not in Big Four, it's everywhere.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for clearing the doubts of the students. I hope, Dhruva, the doubt must have been cleared now. Now I welcome speaker of the session, CS Sanjay Kandhari, sir. Sir is working as a CFO consultant in Daksh Consultancy Services. Sir has many achievements to his credit. Sir has been awarded as one among the top 20 CM of India in a leadership summit, Also a merit certificate holder, winner of Exceptional Excellence Award for Internal Audit. I welcome you, sir. I request you to have the session with our students, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. A warm welcome to CA aspirants and then managing committee, college principal, and coordinator. Special thanks to members of committee of counseling for giving me an opportunity, because it's an honor and a pride to be a part of CA Institute, and representing CA Institute is a big achievement. Special thanks to Manish Gadia sir, because after his leadership we have seen a big turmoil, a revolution in CA connectivity, networking, prospering, CA's course and all that things. I mean, it's a very big challenge during this pandemic to take CA course forward and to reach out people where people are not in a good state of mind, especially they have fear and they are literally afraid of doing anything. To start with, I'll just clear some of the doubts, and people have a perception, and it has been carried forward, that CA is difficult. As Arpit sir clearly said, it is not difficult. People have made it difficult. You have a passion, you know what you are doing, you have trust in yourself. CA is not at all difficult, and moreover, it is not the certificate you are getting, it's a personality development what you are going to get, and that, believe me, that will going to last for long. See, there are people who getting disappointed, like Arpit sir said, that even if you don't clear final for some period of time, you need not be depressed about that, because they have been recognized. Our institute has taken care for all these people also, because everybody has got hundreds of problems. It's not easy for them to manage house as well as studies. Everybody knows about it, and that is why we have given special recognition to those students also. Coming to this presentation part, as a part of SOP, I'll share a presentation with you. The presentation continues for 32 slides, and I'll be there with you for almost an hour connected. And I would request CA aspiring students to just pen down their queries and doubts, so that end of the session we'll have FAQs and question answer sessions. So we'll address it all together. So I'll share the presentation over the screen to you, and we'll start with that. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Let me make screen big. Okay. So we'll start with, as I said, this session, this presentation runs into 32 slides. It has got two parts, part 1 of 13 slides, part 2 of 19 slides. So now what are we here for? Now we need to know what is ICAI. What is the infrastructure ICAI has got? What is the core structure of ICAI? What is the fees for the structure you are going to pursue CA? What are you going to really spend on that? What are the mantras for becoming a CA? What are the opportunities in the market for CA? And the most important is earn while you learn. I have seen so many institutes, but this is something unique. I mean, I've never seen any institute, they'll pay you for learning. I mean, see an MBA course, any other course. I don't want to blame anyone, but once you go there, spending 1.5 to 2 lakhs is just a minimum at the entry level. But this is something unique where you are being paid for your learning. I mean, I've never seen any institute like that. Now, CA Institute registered under CA Act 1949. It's a 70 years old institute, globally recognized. We have our logo of Garuda. We got it in 1949 from Sri Aurobindo, which means one who is awake among those who are in sleep. A very well said phrase. This institute has got its own code of conduct and professional ethics. It is the second largest body in the world. First one is SIVA, and it is globally recognized. Coming to the infrastructure, we have got human resources, branches, foreign chapters, branch-owned buildings, seminar halls, information technology centers. We have got 17,000 auditoriums. You can just imagine what a large capacity we have. 164 branches, foreign chapters we have 34. That means we have, students have so much of scope, whether they are in India or anywhere outside India tomorrow, after 5 years down the line. They have enough scope. CA is recognized everywhere. We have MOUs with so many institutes. So, if you are in CA, you will get some exemptions for some other papers also. We have information technology centers. Now, what ICAI is pursuing for professional excellence? We have got around 3 lakh members plus as of now. CA Institute is making efforts for global recognition. They are doing Women Entrepreneurs Development Program with Niti Aayog coordination. They have a drive from black money, campus placements. There is free waiver of fees for certain categories. We have recently, like 2 years back, we have worked out on UDI number. This is a registered certificate with membership number of a CA, which is itself available on the portal. The certification itself is available on the portal now. So we have moved to technology more. 7 continents, 1 language. You don't know Russian. Probably you may not know Chinese also. But when we can talk with each other, we know about numbers. If you tell 100 somebody, 1, 10, everybody will understand. So we are into that profession where we are dealing majorly in numbers. People don't understand any other language, but you speak with numbers in anyone, he will continue to understand what you are talking about. ICAI is a partner in nation building. It is connecting people. There are 2 ways of nation building. One is CA is offering support as a consultancy, guide, mentor, and then supporting nation by doing taxation, consultancy, audit, and other activities. Second, it is supporting economy by preventing corruption, malfunctioning, window dressing, and fraud prevention and deterrence also. It is a connectivity between government and you. Filing of returns, they are putting tax, paying tax, and they are contributing to the nation. But who is the channel for that? It's CAs between them. Dream CA, believe CA, achieve CA. So this is one more mantra for becoming a CA. You need to have a dream. You need to have a passion. You need to have a thought process and that willingness to become a CA. See, believe me, this will be a major contributor towards you to achieve a CA. See, you need to have a goal that you want to become a CA. To believe CA, you need to have a trust. You need to trust yourself and never give up. Means you need to have a trust that I am going to do it. CA is not difficult at all. It's only perception of the people they have put, and then it has been carried forward for the people, by the people, and then it has been traveled along over a period of time. But nowadays, you see, people are becoming CA in 3 years of period of time. Now, to achieve CA, what you have to do is you have to work hard and to achieve your goals. Now, what CA gives? It gives you a reputation. It gives you a social status. You are very well known in the market. You have got a good reputation in the market. You just name Mr. Sanjay and you tell them Sanjay, CA Sanjay. There is a difference. People have changed their mentality when you put a designation before your name. It has got an international exposure. There are career opportunities for you. You get a better understanding about the subject. You get a better understanding about the market. You know how to deal with people. If there are 12th standard students also, I would just like to say that there is exam. After passing the final exam, they can enroll for CA foundation course, and then there is a channel through which foundation they can achieve CA. Now, this is how does the CA course works. This is basically 2 segments. One is direct entry route. Direct entry route is people who are graduate, and the minimum criteria for passing is 55%, and postgraduate it is 60%. Now, people who are under direct route can directly go for intermediate exams, this IPCC. They are exempt from foundation course. People who are who are going to go for a foundation course, they can start from 12th standard. There is certain criteria. They have to pass ICIT SS course. It is integrated course on information technology and software. They have to appear for enter exam. They have to go for 3 years practical training where you can earn and learn also. There is a CA final course, and then you have to give the exams and then again qualify for a 100-hour training course, and then you become a member of CA Institute. Now coming to costing, what are your cash flows when you try to become a CA or you are joining a course? The fee structure is including study materials. The total cost for the fees is around 77,200, and minimum stipend you get is 92,000. For people who are joining with foundation course, they get 16% return on that. Believe me, you are spending less than what you are getting during the training session. And for people who are from graduate going through the CA course, they are exempted from foundation course. So their savings is 9,200. So their return of investment is 25% on that. It's hardly nothing compared to other courses what you have seen. Now, what is the mantra of becoming a CA? It's only hard work and dedication. The costing is very low. What we need is your motivation, your dream, your hard work, your dedication, and of course you need a good mentor also. Once you have got that dedication, you are being channelized to that direction to achieve your goals, and nobody can just stop you for anywhere. I mean, going forward we have certain motivational things where you can understand it's not something like even an auto rickshaw driver's daughter becomes a CA. So it is nothing which can stop you. It's only you who can stop yourself. Now, what is an opportunity for CAs? The scope after becoming CA, it's not necessary that you can do a job, you can do business. You can do anything what you want. Once you become a CA, you can appear for any exam for higher studies. You can do an entrepreneur program and do an entrepreneurship also. You can do your own business. You can start your own practice. There are multi dimensions where you can go and achieve whatever your passion is after becoming a CA. It's not necessary you need to be abide by CAs. I mean, you can see CA Piyush Goyal is a honorable minister of railways, and he's in additional charge of Ministry of Finance also. In a note, he said India is growing 5 trillion in next 8 years and 10 trillion economy in next 10 years. Now, with these numbers, you can imagine we are here only with 3+ lakh members. How much there is a scope for CAs now? We need at least 25,000 professionals market in future. So right away, you should enroll for this course, and you see that you'll be immediately enrolling for this course so that you can be a part of economic development also. Now, CA can serve what? The entire gamut of commerce, finance, IT is there under CA. I mean, what not is there under CA? You can do management consultancy services, you can do business, you can do government job, you can go in academics, advisory services. I mean, once you are clearing CA, you have possible various avenues where, I mean, what is your passion? What is your next dream? What is your next goal? You can achieve those goals after becoming a CA also. It's not there is like something you have become a CA, now you are dedicated to this profession, accountancy and accountancy. But there are various dimensions you can achieve your goals there also. Now, what is your earning? So how much you earn while training? People are getting 90,000 to 1,50,000 stipend in 3 years period of time, and what you spend is around 72,000, 69 to 72,000. Now we have a classification, categorization for different cities and towns. You may be classifying in one city of town based on the standard of living, but on an overall range, you have 90,000 to 1,50,000 earning over a period of time. So, I mean, you can tell your parents that I am just paying for my expenses. You can be independent at this stage also. Now coming to second part, we have 19 slides in the second session. Now a synopsis of what this session, second 19 slides will consist of. How do ICAI support for academics and post-qualification courses. What is USP for this profession? How does this institute offers you a platform for success and excellence? What is status of CA in the market? Who are the famous personalities who are also CAs? And there are some motivation stories. And lastly, how do you get in touch with us? Now, as Arpit sir rightly said, we have moved to technology more nowadays, like a couple of years. We have virtual classes, we have e-learning classes and cloud campus facilities. It's just everything is virtual mode. You don't have to go to classes and attend day and night classes. You don't have to pay money for the classes. I mean, I don't deny that there may be a good speaker, but it's the notes, uh, the question banks, the answers for that are itself available on a virtual mode. So you need not spend everything on the classes. You have e-learning, which has got an edge over MBA. There are certain websites where you can go and you can study about your course, although the study materials are sufficient for that. There are publications. ICAI publishes newsletters and CA journals at a very nominal cost of around 200 rupees or something odd amount to upgrade and update CAs and non-CAs. The journal has got certain articles about the economy, where the economy is going, about the profession, about the international updates, about banking, taxation, legal case laws. You can just update yourself even before becoming a CA and after becoming a CA through these journals. There are certain publications also where you need to pay for a nominal amount and you can learn a better way. Now, ICAI has come with a talent search activity also. People or students who have got talent, they need not wait for any other institution to go. CA provides a platform, a benchmark for them. And then this platform is open for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, BCom, BBA, BMS, and allied subject students. If you want, you can note down the website also. What we need here is ability of a student and a clear concepts. And people who are participating in this activities, winners will get a prize of up to 1 lakh rupees. Second prize is up to 50,000, 25,000, and or other 200 consolation prize of 500. We also provide you a merit certificate and a participation certificate for the same. Now this session is open on Sundays also. If you are doing any other activity with a nominal fee of 100 rupees, and then you can enroll on these dates. And if you need any other clarification on this topic, you can get in touch with me. Now CAS also has come with scholarship schemes. This scholarship scheme is people who are from Army, Navy, Indian Air Force, paramilitary forces, Indian Coast Guards. Now about this scheme, people who are belonging to these categories or their family members or parents are into these categories, they can get a special scheme where there is a 50% of the course fee, 50% is waiver. Even a retired person, his ward is eligible for this scheme. It's one child per family. Now, campus placements. Okay. Now, once you become a CA, there are campus placements 2 times in a year. Okay. The average salary is offered somewhere around 9 lakhs to 24 lakhs. Recently, there was a news that campus placement CA got around 32 lakh salary. Just imagine. I have never seen an MBA getting this big salary after for campus placements. Again, this depends upon your hard work, dedication, and you should have a goal to achieve it. Now, the types of companies who are being into this campus placements are Tata Consultancy, Axis, DHS, Federal Bank Limited. So you just understand this top class of companies are going to hire you once you become a CA through a campus placement. You don't have to run anywhere. You don't have to circulate your CV anywhere to the market. You don't have to approach. You don't have to go to any networking sites or placement, Naukri.com, other things. CA Institute provides you that facilities also. What we expect from you is dedication, hard work, and become a CA, because we need CAs in the market. Now, what is unique selling proposition for CA profession? Now, it is a regulator for audit and assurance functions. Okay. Now, age is no bar for it. Any person, even someone completed BCom 5 years after that, he wants to enroll for a CA course. There is no age criteria like IAS and IPS officers or UPSC exams. You are planning for UPSC exams and you say, no, I have crossed this age, I can't do that. There is no age bar. CA Institute is very open on all these issues. Whatever, I mean, you have seen in the news, like people of 67 also have become a CA now. They have enrolled at the age of 55. So it is nothing which you have lost it. Anytime you realize, I have to do CA, you just enroll for it. Do your hard work and results will automatically follow with you. We have cloud campus, attractive employment opportunities, good learning with minimum cost, and offers even distance learning opportunities. As I said before, if you are a qualified CA, if you want to do CISA or CMA or any other qualifications, you get exemption in certain subjects. So that reduces the number of exams which you have to appear, and you get additional qualifications also. Now, what is your part to success? How do we contribute towards that? We have contributed towards national banking governance, economic policies, Swachh Bharat mission. There are many CAs who are in a CFO, MD positions, GM level position in public and private sector bank. CAs in practice has contributed towards the nation, towards taxation and advisory services. CAs are being promoted by CA Institute to start their own setup. They have set up business. They have started SMEs and small industries of their own. They are into business, and they get a good remuneration on unemployment above the average MBAs. Now, what is a signature of a CA means? A CA's autograph has got a good meaning. That means once you start putting your signature and your membership number, it has got a weightage in the market. Even a PM looks at signature as in a very authentic way, and PM says that signature of a CA is to be believed as much better than PM signature. So, I mean, once you sign certain documents, I don't see anybody challenging it. And where do you have to put your signatures? It's Companies Act, there are certain forms. Now it has come to digital signatures also. Forensic audit, your certification is required. Tax audit, FEMA matters. I mean, it's mandatory for certain document. Now the question is, why do you need a CA signature? Because, with this current scenario where there are so many activities going on, where do we have a trust? Yes, but CA Institute and CA members have got a trustworthy image in the market. That is why his signature is so important. Now, what additional features we offer you? After you qualify CA or before also, you are still eligible for civil service examination. You have got tie-up with IIM institutes. You can be eligible for PhD courses. Recently, Institute has classified CA, CS and ICW Institute, CMA Institute as post-graduation degree. Now you are having a direct entry for PhD courses. There are other post-qualification courses where you can do after becoming CA with CA Institute. Now, who are prominent chartered accountants who are into different activities as a CA Piyush Goyal, Union Cabinet Minister. He is also CA. CA Suresh Prabhu, former Union Cabinet Minister, Government of India. CA Kumar Mangalam Bilra, he is a business tycoon, Aditya Birla Group. CA Harish Salve, former Solicitor of India. He is a Padma Bhushan for public services. CA Sudha Balakrishnan is the 12th Executive Director of RBI and a first CFO of RBI. CA Naina Lal, she is a country head of HSBC. CA Rakesh Junjunwala, the Warren Buffett of India. He's very good in stock market. CA Rameshwar Thakur served as the President of India from 1966 to 1967. Now this profession, as we said, it's 70 years old. And we have got certain recognition from the leaders, presidents of India during 1950s. Dr. Rajendra Prasad in 1950 said, this is CAs are the first line of defense against money grabbing. CAs are more responsible in accounting. So what is CA? CA is a line between truth and untruth. See, he has to channelize his activities in a truthful way so that person's money is put into the right direction. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, President of India, he said CA has to maintain high standards of public integrity, his behavior. Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji said he cannot imagine a country where there were no CAs. Economy will suffer like anything without their education, without their proper guidance. Now, Dr. Abdul Kalam, what he said is, CAs have to take an oath. They are possible solution for all the problems related to accounting, financial management. They have to come with solutions, not only with problems. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he said CA can serve entire economy. It's building an economic infrastructure. And Sir Ratan Tata ji said he needs MBAs to run the business, but he also needs CAs to teach MBAs how to run the business. Now, motivational stories from CA Institute. Auto rickshaws driver daughter also becomes a CA. Now you see there is no criteria of age, qualification, nationality, or any caste system. We are independent of anything. What we need is dedication, hard work. Your goal is very much important. First blind lady to become a CA, CA Rajni Gopal. She passed out in 2002. I mean, you just understand where people who are having this kind of challenges can become a CA. Why can't we? That comes to the end of this small presentation. And now the house is open for any question and answers, what you must be having in mind. Over to Kiran, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Students, if any doubts are there.
You may also put in a chat box also, if you have anything.
Students?
I think you have a mute from your side, or I mean, they have muted themselves.
Yeah, so just 1 second. I think that setting was
No problem.
Has been made them.
No
Yes,
problem.
students, if anybody has a anybody has a doubt, you can ask the doubts. If any queries, any doubts with regards to this.
There is a message from Mr. Arijit Krishnan. As you said, there are many advantages of doing CA. Are there any drawbacks? I mean, it went off. 1 second, huh? I'll read it again for you. As you said, there are many advantages of doing CA. Are there any drawbacks as well? So what can we overcome? Mr. Arijit, there is no drawbacks. Learning has no drawbacks. It's only like what you are going to put, you are going to get that only. Arijit, are you there? Hello? Yeah, a good question from you. Now, there is no drawbacks for doing CA. See, I mean, if you are dedicated, you become a CA. Nevertheless, you have a good personality. You have a good leadership qualities. You know the market. Say, for example, an IT person coming to your system and doing XYZ. I mean, if you are into this profession, you know what is he doing. I mean, we are not sitting like a layman from, okay, I mean, just take, okay, whatever you do, I can't understand. The CA profession gives you IT background. It gives you a good logic. It gives you a upper level of common sense to understand things better than an average people. So I have never seen any drawbacks doing a CA.
Yes, any more
Welcome.
doubts? Students, any more doubts?
Got one more message from Vivek, I think so, 808524. So for articleship, CA freshers allowed to apply directly in ICA office or in local CA office? Yes, you have to go to a CA firm, which one you like, big four or mid-sized firm or a small firm. Depends upon your understanding, and then CAs will take care of it. They will get it you registered with CA Institute. You will have to maintain a diary of what you do, and time to time the CAs will inform to the institute about your developments. So you have to go to CA offices and they will register you with CA Institute. Help.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, ask more questions. The next month will be a new start for you. A new month, a new start for you.
Yes, students, feel free to ask the questions.
Kiran madam, have I missed any other questions before that, or I mean, I would like to address that also.
Yeah, just 1 second, sir. I'll just check it here. So there was one doubt by Vikramaditya. How would you compare being a CA or a CFA in India?
CA, can you repeat, please?
How would you compare being a CA or CFA in India?
See, there is no comparison with them. Everyone is good in their own field. Like if I speak to a carpenter or an electrician, he is master his own field. But being a CA, I know what he does. See, comparison, if you are in a dilemma, what you have to do for a CFA and CA, you have to see the pros and cons and advantages out of it. See, when you go for CA, you have to see the costing. You have to go for a CFA, you see the costing, how much time you are going to dedicate, what is your interest in. See, if you are more interested in any other profession other than CA, I won't stop you, because that becomes your passion, and you achieve more when you have a passion and your goal in life. So if you ask me a comparison between CA, MBA, CFA, CIMA, other things, I would only recommend a CA, because uh, this is ultimate for anything. See, when I mean, those in 2004 and that is MBAs were more in demand. We could see so many comparisons, CAs or MBAs. See, MBAs are getting more salaries, they were getting more jobs compared to CA in 2004 or 2005 days. But now, where do they stand? You see that futuristic picture also. CA is always a CA. See, if you do business, you have that caliber and understanding, and you have more logic to make profits compared to other person who is not a CA.
Sir, one more question is there. This question is by
Yes.
Dhruva Chauhan, and he has asked, should I do CFA after graduation or during graduation? Or should I go with ACCA?
You are talking on three different aspects, I understand. You are looking for CFA, ACCA, and we are talking about CA. See, about other profession, I really don't know what is like after graduation or before graduation. You can go with it. You have to check with that institute. But coming to CA, you still, if you are undergraduate also, you can do CA. See, if you have three different things in mind, you have to just be in a very good state of mind to understand where you want to go. And once you go for it, never give up. See, half knowledge is always a dangerous. I mean, if you are in a big confusion whether you want to go for CFA, CIMA, or ACCA or a CA, you need to make up your mind right now. Because once you put money, once you go for it, any profession I'm talking about, then you be sticking to it. I mean, don't just go here and there. It will be waste of your money. What we are looking at CA is because we always have a forecast that there is a very big demand for CAs, there is a very good market for CAs, and then CAs are like anything nowadays. I mean, I have never seen a CA sitting idle. I have seen MBAs, even MDs also at times sitting idle. MBBS also at times idle. But CAs I have never seen sitting idle. I mean, maybe they are looking for something of their choice and they have their own different passions over life and they want to have different goals. But I have never seen CA sitting idle.
Any
Come
more?
on, guys, come up with questions. Ankit Raj, sir, it seems to be very difficult to get articleship after being a graduate, as we would be fresher having a degree of bachelor in this pandemic. Also, there are very less openings. Kindly enlighten us on this part. Ankit Raj, no, it is not like that. People are looking for articles. If you are looking at that point of view that it's very difficult to get articleship, you just approach any CA. He'll be very happy to take you under his articleship. Even if after that you have to go to institute's website where you can see there is an opening for articleships. You can join wherever you want after bachelor, and this pandemic has no way hindered our growth. We are coming to you, your college, and even if you are not getting anything or on the website, you just approach me. I'll offer you some 3-4 CAs where you can get the articleship done, or we will jointly look at the website of the institute. Wherever you find, I can help you.
So
Sir?
there is one more question.
Yes, please.
By Saili Shaha. She has asked, in this competitive world, we see many students doing CA. So what other courses and activities we need to do to have an edge over others?
Saili, are you talking about after doing a CA or in comparison with CA? See, competition was there in 1970s. It is still there now. See, to get an edge over the competition, CA has got always an edge on any other commerce profile. CAs are a very rare phenomena. I mean, you see any CAs, he said that I have worked hard for it, and that's the only way to success. Do you need to have an edge over other competitions? CA is the only option. Once you become CA, you are automatically having an edge over competitions because now you are above. I mean, what we have been listening is the bottom is always crowded, but the top is always empty. Once you are qualified, you are always having an edge over competitors because there are very few competitors there. We just said that we have 3 lakh plus members and we need 25,000 more in coming years. So it automatically says that you are having a much uh, edge above other comparative courses. One more question I have missed out. While doing CA, does attitude communication skills automatically build up in students? Yes. I don't know who has said it. Yes, but of course you have communication skills. We once you qualify as a CA, you have 15 days general management communication skills program, where 15 years you are dedicated for around 7 to 8 hours daily, where your communication skills are much developed. When you go into the market initially, I'll tell you the background of it, and the reason where GMCS came into picture was like there was a market where CAs were more having a domain knowledge and MBAs were having a good marketing skills. So we started the GMCS course where we develop communication skills in chartered accountant. So now what we have is 1+1. What we have is a good domain knowledge, and we have got a good communication skills also. When we interact with MD, we do certain presentations. That automatically develops in you. Once you get the confidence, once you are a CA, once you have been interacting with MDs, you are interacting with CFOs, you have communication skills with you. But a platform has also been given by SC Institute, and that is also a mandatory requirement for getting a COP. One more question, sir. Which graduation degree should we pursue along with CA course? I would not recommend anything. You just do CA. I mean, graduation, once you do graduate or undergraduate, you enroll for CA course, and CA itself is an ultimate for you. Once you become CA, you have so many options. You can do whatever you want.
Students, any more questions?
I have got one question from Neelam. After completing intermediate, we need to do articleship. So when we need to do ICITSS before articleship or after? Yes, a very good question, Neelam. There are two phases of ICITSS. One is once after foundation you go and before inter. Once you do the articleship, after 9 months you can appear for intermediate exam. And once you are through with your intermediate exam, you have to do ICITSS course, that is 100 hours training. I mean, nowadays it is being done offline. And that is after articleship, once you are being in a graduate category. Remember, I showed you two dimensions, two branches. If you are in a direct mode after BCom going, you have to do ICITSS after you do your articleship, and you are eligible for appearing in exam after 9 months. Any other questions?
Students, any more questions?
Yes, Vivek Thakur has put, sir, I passed CPT after 12th. Okay, great. So now after graduation, can I take foundation route for inter? Vivek, once you have done the graduation, there is no way of looking back. Why do you want to go for a foundation route for inter? You can directly eligible for inter exam unless you get that 55% criteria. So now you are a step ahead towards your CA career. So you can directly enroll. Yeah, this direct entry is an option open for you. Thank you.
Yes, any more questions?
Come on, CA aspiring students, you have to have many questions in your mind. Tomorrow is a holiday. You can just think over it. And I would like to see people enrolling on 2nd of May. Okay, and what about finals? See, once you qualify for inter, you pass both the groups, you can appear for final exam. But you have to complete 3 years of your articleship by that time. So, I mean, the course is designed looking to your convenience. Like after you clear your exam and articleship, there is some gap. You get time to study for your final exams.
Any more questions? Okay, so I think, sir, like a majority of the things.
Sorry, sorry.
Sure, sure, sure,
This
sir.
question from Shraddha. Sir, what would be your tips towards achieving AIR? What is that, Shraddha, please? What is AIR? Acronym? I didn't understand. All India rank. Okay. See, what I would suggest you for AIR is institute notes and materials are sufficient. I mean, you don't have to look any other classes or other things. And it's like your creativity should be there. I mean, you need to look at the questions and find your answers yourself rather than looking to the answers. And material is sufficient for AIR. It's like you need to have 2-3 revisions before you're appearing for an exam, do a mock test, and then it's just be confident and go for your exam. Welcome.
Okay. One announcement to the students, we'll be sharing feedback form link in the chat box. So once the feedback form link is filled, you all are requested to fill the feedback form. Now I request Mrs. Sharavati to kindly propose a vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to all. It is my privilege to propose vote of thanks to all those who have contributed in one way or the other to make this webinar a great success. I take this opportunity to thank guest speakers of the day, Arpit Kabra sir and Sanjay Kandari sir, for sharing with us their knowledge and guiding our students in the right direction, and we appreciate that. We are thankful to our patrons, Dr. Vasudevan Pillai, Chairman, Mahatma Education Society, and Dr. Daphne Pillai, co-founder, Pillai Group of Institutions, for their motivation. I would like to thank Kuti sir, our principal Dr. Gajanan Vade sir, and Vice Principal Mrs. Deepika Sharma for their enthusiastic support. My sincere appreciation to the wonderful participants, and thank you for joining us for this session. Thank you all. All the students, please fill the feedback form so that you will be getting the certificate. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sharavati. One request to all the students, kindly keep the videos in on mode for a minute. We want to take photos for the session as per the requirement.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, Tejal Patil. All students are invited to kindly keep the video in on mode. Students, can you switch on the videos for a minute? It's request to everyone so that we can have a photo of this session. Sanjana? Just 1 second. Sanjana? Okay. Okay, so I thank everyone. Thank you so much for being there for the session. Thank you, sir. Sanjay sir, thank you so much. And I hope that the session is really helpful to the students. From tomorrow itself, they will start with the registration. Thank you, sir.
If you have any doubts, just call me anytime.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Kiran ma'am, we can leave now, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. I'll call you, ma'am. I will call you. I'm leaving now.
Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I will end the meeting.
Okay, please.
Okay, ma'am.